How to fix a blurry camera on Android. This tutorial walks you through the most common fixes to get your photos looking sharp again. First, open the camera app on your Android device. From there, gently wipe the rear camera lens with a soft, dry cloth, since smudges, fingerprints, or dust are the most common cause of blurry shots. After that, take a test photo to see if the clarity improves. At this point, if it's still blurry, check whether your phone case is covering part of the lens, or if a screen protector or lens film is scratched or cloudy, since either of those can throw off focus. Following this, open the camera app again and tap directly on the subject you're trying to photograph on your screen, which forces the camera to refocus on that specific point instead of guessing. From here, hold your phone steady for a second or two before taking the shot, since even slight hand movement can cause blur, especially in lower light. At this stage, check your lighting conditions, because low light forces the camera to slow down its shutter speed, which makes movement and blur far more noticeable. Following this, if the issue continues, long press the camera app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. From here, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be affecting how the camera processes images. Once that's done, reopen the camera app and take another test photo to check for improvement. If the blur is still there, open the Play Store, search for Camera, and install any available updates, since outdated camera software can sometimes cause focusing issues. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to let your device fully refresh. Keep in mind, if the blur only happens with one specific lens, like the wide or ultra-wide camera, that usually points to a hardware issue with that particular lens, rather than something you can fix through settings. That's how you fix a blurry camera on Android. If this helped clear things up, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.